Right. I've signed out of mine.
I'm done.
Kaiser's bus driver, we need to have you at the pickup point as soon as possible. If I don't see you there, I'm just gonna drive straight to your house because he's not having a good day today. So I'm just letting you know if you guys can be there, and again, if I don't see you there, I'm just gonna pull up straight to his house. Okay? I'll see you guys in about 20 to 45 minutes. I just left her a message.
Perfect, thank you.
If she doesn't show up, we're just gonna have to pull up to his house.
That's fine.
Yeah. Just so he doesn't get any more stress.
Yeah.
And he can be in his environment.
Thank you.
Oh, you're the guy that comes this way. Got you. This car always goes that way where the bus is coming out.
Oh,
this
wow.
one?
Yeah.
I don't recognize that
I
guy.
don't know. That's why he's putting his hands up like I guess. It's like.
Oh,
you're not
wow.
supposed to
Does he
have
not
this
know?
many
Yeah.
days. Famous for it in the morning too, and
This is the guy, he's behind us right now.
yeah, he's one of them. So he has no choice but to go this way because. Yeah.
And I wonder if he even works at our school or if he's just using our parking lot.
I don't know.
Because I've never seen that van before.
Put his hands up and away.
Just do me a favor and stay there for a second because I'm trying to take a picture of it.
Got it?
Hold on, hold on. Okay.
Just like my daughter. I'm like, you better not play me, so you should put a toe. Like, you better not to the ground.
That was like me growing up as soon as my mom's
Yeah.
back turned, like,
Yeah, she'll just like a
or she'd be like, don't touch that, and I'd be like, it was always when her back was turned though, not in front of her.
I know one time, I think she was 6 and she was missing her teeth. And then she was like, I know I'm never gonna have tattoos, mother, but today I am. And she went to a birthday party and she went, wow, and she had like rainbow glitter butterflies. Because they came in like the little goodie bags that they had.
Uh-huh.
Her whole arm and had
She put them all
I was
on.
like, really, Val? She's like, let me live in the moment. I was like,
It's
okay.
cute.
You,
then she said, "Oh, Carlos is heading over there. Let me go stop
Yeah, I
him."
stopped them.
Yeah.
I was like, hold on. And then I kind of covered them.
Yeah.
In case he went after them. And they were going to cross.
Yeah, I was gonna head out and Jessica headed out. And then the nurse came too, the male nurse.
George?
Yeah.
Okay.
But he was like, "Did they already leave?" And I'm like, "Oh, they must have." Because
Oh,
he's like, "I went there and nobody was there." I'm like, "Oh, they must have left already."
they needed, Laura and Hayden came from the other side.
Huh?
And then